Sitting here kind of housebound. We still have snow outside. We're waiting for 2 weeks for our new trip. So I thought I'd get a collection of the trips that we've had so far this year. We just put a few highlights together, and I hope you enjoy traveling with us on this little video. This is what it looks like when you drive into Bishop's Castle from the parking lot down below. And this is one of the stairways to go inside. Awfully steep, awfully steep. We went around to the back where it was easier. And this is a view from the top bridge. It's quite high up there, and I did not go across the bridge. There was another couple that did while we were there, but more power to them. Lisa and Deneen and I are standing there looking over the bridge, and Louie's right down below us there somewhere. This is one of our many trail rides that we had with Gary and Jalon in and around the town of Silverton. We come onto a trail. Here it is. I wish I would have gotten how we try to pass other vehicles coming up this road. It's quite a deal, and it's not something that everybody would be comfortable with. This is a trail that the group went up, and they went all the way to the plateau. Also, mountain bikers go up this trail, but they have to carry their bicycles all the way up and over the top to ride down into the town of Silverton. That's where we were just at, way down there at the parking lot. All right, here we go. On our trip to Minnesota this year, we went up into South Dakota, stayed at a military base, and beautiful stay. And then we went over and saw Deneen's youngest brother, Doug. What do you think?
They're beautiful.
Yep, you got some gummy broths. You can see the green, the red, the blue.
All right, this is my brother.
Finally getting a little action here.
There we go. That's what I needed. Gotta go all the way back to there. Still low enough. It was super dark when we pulled in here last night. So I couldn't video. I think it might be too dark now, but this is where we stayed last night. It's at the border between Utah and Nevada, at the Border Inn Casino. They were kind enough to let us sit here in the parking lot. So we're having our coffee, finishing putting stuff away, and we're going to be on the road. Well, we got a few minutes before the wedding rehearsal, so we came to Columbia to see the main street in Columbia. It's always a good time. Old carriages and a hearse, big old hearse. We got goodbye, Dave.
Goodbye.
This is goodbye to Kanab.
Goodbye.
Woohoo!
Oh, we love you guys.
We love you too.
Welcome to Kanab, Utah. Goodbye.
Okay. Goodbye.
Oh, today.
Well, you can see we made it home from our last trip that I've got posted on here. We do have one large trip again going back towards California this month. In fact, about 2 weeks. But that'll be a whole different video. I just wanted to put a recap of 2025 and hope that y'all keep traveling with us. Like and subscribe if you like these travel videos. Really helps to inspire the videos that I make. Thank you.